Good afternoon to all. My name is Catherine Akelo. I'm so grateful for the work that Ramadan is going to do. Before this training, I messed up and I got a teenage pregnancy, which made me to drop out of school. And I was encouraged after delivery. I was encouraged by my friend, and I joined the Aktion Regen training, which has helped me. And now I know how to count this baby necklace. How I hope and I know I believe I will not mess up anymore. I thank the Action Regen so much. Like for it has helped me personally, and it will help my friends. And now I'm able to go back to school because they have encouraged me anyway. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. I'm so glad to be here with Catherine, and I'm very happy that she's able now to go back to school. Thank you so much.